You can install YourMed directly onto your Windows desktop and your mobile home screen as a standalone application. To begin this setup, you must be using the Google Chrome web browser on your device. This installation removes the address bars and navigation menus from the interface, so you no longer have to log in manually every time you open the app. Taking 2 minutes for this one-time setup removes the need to navigate browser tabs and bookmarks. To start, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to your clinic's web address. Look at the top of the screen, specifically at the far right side of the Chrome address bar. Look for the specific install icon sitting in the bar. It looks like a small computer monitor with a downward arrow. Click that icon to trigger the system's installation prompt. When the pop-up window appears, click the blue Install button to approve the process. The standard browser tabs will disappear, and YourMed will relaunch immediately in its own dedicated window. You have successfully converted a standard web page into a persistent desktop tool, giving you a permanent shortcut right on your taskbar. On mobile devices, tapping a link opens a restricted preview browser rather than the full Google Chrome application. This image shows the YourMed interface trapped under the preview header. You cannot install the application from inside this restricted environment. To fix this, tap the 3-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of the preview screen. This screenshot displays the system options that appear when you open that drop-down menu. Find and select the option in the list that says Open in Chrome Browser. Escaping the preview environment is the mandatory first step to successfully installing YourMed on your phone. This image shows the interface loaded inside the full Google Chrome mobile application, with the standard address bar now visible at the top. Tap the Chrome 3-dot menu, again located in the top right corner. This screenshot shows the expanded Chrome system menu. Scroll through the menu until you find the option labeled Add to Home Screen and tap it. On the final confirmation pop-up shown here, tap Install. Confirming this final prompt integrates the application, giving you an experience identical to a downloaded app. The installation sequence for both desktop and mobile is now complete. On your computer, a standalone YourMed shortcut now lives on your Windows desktop and taskbar. On your mobile device, a dedicated app icon now sits directly alongside your other regular apps. Launching via these icons opens the clinic dashboard in full screen mode, completely free of browser search bars or distracting tabs. With this standalone setup, you can skip the browser entirely and start your clinical workflow every morning with a single click.